that. It's like paper thin. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Sydney, you're going to be in trouble. No barking. Where? Oh my God, that was the bridge. Did you see the stove? It just rolled down the hill there.
This sound is 3 times our size.
Hey, stop barking. Well, there you go. There goes that side of the house. Oh, is that? Oh, there goes the Rubbermaid container.